Hello, good evening. My name is Mr. Joscoro Linares, a member of MMM Philippines. I'm from Zamboanga City. I am very happy because I was part of this MMM community. I joined MMM last March 3, 2015, and I found MMM through Facebook while I was chatting with my friends. There's somebody invited me to join MMM. That was Mr. Damaso del Rosario, my manager. At first, I did not know of MMM. What I did, I made a research MMM through Google and YouTube about MMPs. I proved that it was true, so I decided to join MMM community. I thank to Mr. Damaso del Rosario, my manager, for inviting me to join MMM Philippines. God bless and mabuhay MMM Philippines.